So here I have a guitar amplifier. It's a Sienna 35 Kustom. Anyways, that's the logo. It's the Kustom. Anyways, I plugged it in, making that humming sound. You can hear it. Before it was blowing some fuses. So, oh, I know why. I can immediately see the issue. Can you spot it? A little education. Look at this. Can you see it now? Look at this capacitor. It has blown completely up. Look at the inside wrapping part, just disintegrated. Blew right up. It should be like this. I've never seen a capacitor blow up like that. So let's try to replace that capacitor. See if it fixes the issue. Wow. Look at it, blown up. Even blew up on a little bit on this guy as well. So that's why we have a humming. Humming is usually to do with capacitors, and you can identify the capacitors here. We have a plus and a minus, and it must have shorted over time, and it just. Okay, so first we'll take a picture. Looks like I have to take off all these knobs. So I'm going to turn them all the same direction. Okay. Then we can remove. So here we have the board. Here you can see the blown capacitor. It is 35 volts, 2200 microfarad capacitor. Just blew its cap right off. Look at that. So let's remove the blown capacitor here. It's not doing any good there. Okay. Okay. We have removed the capacitor. Okay, let's try to solder this in. So this is negative out here, so we'll say that that's negative out there. Replace this capacitor here, the negatives that way, because I assume that this is all positive here, so on that plane. So we'll see if this fixes our issue. So let's give it a whirl here. Plugged it in. Hopefully it won't blow up on us. Okay. And thing is smoking. It killed this guy right here. Probably should have tested it a little bit more. I got kind of carried away, too happy that I found an issue. But sometimes an issue leads to another issue, right? So this blew up again. And if I'm testing these diodes here, you can see I'm measuring a short on this diode here. That means that this is a bad diode here. And if I go here, we're measuring short again. So we have two bad diodes. A good diode should have 0.5 across. Okay, so we have two bad diodes as well. Could be some sort of bridge rectifier. Okay, measuring good. Okay, so I have two diodes that I need to remove. Okay, let's check out this one right here. This one's looking okay. Yeah, it's better to check than to rush things. Let's just test it here. Looking okay. Yeah, I'd say just those two. And you can actually already see that those two diodes do connect to this, which connects to the capacitor. We may have a bad MOSFET in there too because of those. I don't know. Hopefully not. But let's replace these first. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use some pliers here. To pull this guy up. Boom. And then this guy right here. So what went first, the capacitor or the diodes? I don't know. These are 1N4007 diodes. And that, I don't know, that just means that they'll have certain forward and reverse voltage. Okay. I have removed them. And I can verify if they're short. I'll just put it on the beep mode right here. So you shouldn't have a beep. And we have a beep. That means that this guy is a bad diode. And then this guy as well. You do not want a beep. Beep is bad. And it's actually quite nice because on here it actually tells you the code and the orientation. It's 1N4007. So I'll get a couple of those. 1N007. And just grab out two of these guys. Okay. Nice. Okay. We'll slip them in the orientation. The little crosshair there just means the black, and it has a little black line around the outside, so it's quite easy to identify. Okay, we'll bend them up. Solder this guy up. Okay. Then we'll snip off the excess of this. Okay. That's there. Okay. just going to test across this capacitor. There's a capacitor here. So that's okay. Okay. So replace these two diodes and this bad capacitor. Let's throw it in and see if it works. Round 2. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Let's see if it works. I don't know. This. So I think that the problem was I was putting this capacitor in backwards because that white mark is there. I think that indicates for both of them. So both negative are going up forward, and I replaced that. I disconnected the speaker wire, and when I turn it on, you can see it's a solid light there, blue light. And I plugged it in, the light's turning on okay. Hopefully that has fixed the issue. Alright.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.